In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Komoot app. First of all, what you have to do is simply launch upon Komoot application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure to create the account for yourself. Creating the account on Komoot is very simple. Follow through the instructions and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. After you create the account for yourself, you can see over here you'll be able to log in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. In the home interface, you'll be able to find various posts over here. Likewise, at bottom, you'll be able to find other options as well. You'll be able to find the options for roots, record, profile, and shop. If you tap on the roots interface, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to search for the activity. First of all, you can also search for the reason if you want. Tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply tap for places or routes. Here I'm just going to start from home. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to select the activity. Tap on the field of activity. Now you'll be able to find various activities over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the activity of your choice. Now once you do that, it will search that particular activity for you. Right now I've selected the activity for run. You can see over here I'm being able to see the result. If you tap on any of this run, you'll be able to start navigating it. Also at bottom you'll be able to find this option for record. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to start recording your activity. You can select the activity if you want. Simply tap on the field of the activity. Now what you can do is simply tap on any option of your choice. Now once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the start option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here it has been started. You'll also be able to see the miles traveled, feet ascent, current speed and average speed over here. If you start walking, it will start navigating. If you want to stop it, simply tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. After you do that, tap on this option pause that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the activity will be paused. If you want to resume, tap on the option resume. If you want to finish the activity, tap on this option finish that you can see on the screen. So like this, you'll be able to record any activity of your choice. Likewise, if you tap on the option profile, you can see over here you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find your profile informations over here. You'll also be able to see your saved routes, contributions, completed activities, highlights, etc. If you tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find the settings options like notifications, profile information, home address, etc. Also, you'll be able to find the settings related with connections and Komoot over here. If you want to log out of your account, you'll also be able to find the option for logging out. Likewise, you can also buy the premium version of the app if you want. For that, tap on the shop option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, you'll be able to get the premium version of the application, or you can also get the world pack if you want. Simply follow through the instructions and you'll be able to get the premium version or world pack. So like this, you'll be able to use this app. So that is how you use Komoot app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.